You spend months hunting for the right acquisition target. Eventually, you find a commercial roofing operation that seems to tick every single box. This dashboard shows the metrics that make an opportunity look like a gold mine on paper. The target boasts $30 million in revenue, 110 employees, and a $500,000 service division. But the day after the ink dries on the closing documents, the view changes. You step into the owner's office and realize those impressive numbers rely on chaotic, unmanaged daily routines. A pristine balance sheet hides the fragile, human-dependent operational reality beneath it. Without systems in place, those millions in revenue are vulnerable to every minor disruption. Take crew scheduling. When a roofing business has no way to anticipate weather shifts, a single surprise rain day costs the company a full labor rate for 110 employees with zero billable output. Then there is the tacit knowledge. The entire logic for estimating jobs, material costs, labor rates, project variables, lives undocumented inside the heads of just one or two senior employees. Even that $500,000 service division is at risk. Because it grew reactively, customer relationships and maintenance schedules are managed through personal memory and informal text messages on technicians' phones. This lack of documentation extends to the financials. Most owners only discover the true profit margin on a project 4 to 6 weeks after a job has already closed, during the month-end reconciliation. When multi-million-dollar revenue relies on unrecorded memory and delayed data, the acquisition becomes a fragile house of cards the moment a key supervisor leaves. Stabilizing the business requires an intelligence layer, a structural bridge that translates messy field realities into clean, actionable control. To solve the weather bottleneck, the system integrates forecasting with crew assignments. It identifies rain windows 48 hours out and automatically reroutes commercial crews to covered interior work before anyone picks up a phone to make manual changes. Reducing weather-related idle time compounds savings, driving a 41% increase in operational efficiency. The layer also provides live margin visibility. If a job tracks 11% over its material estimate, the owner gets an alert immediately. Instead of reading a post-mortem a month after the job is finished, the operator can see cost overruns while they are occurring and course-correct before the profit is gone. Shifting from historical reporting to real-time predictive adjustments gives an operator a new level of control, stopping margin bleed while it is actually happening. The next priority is the service division. To grow, the business must capture property management contacts and service histories that currently exist only on personal phones. This diagram shows how an AI-assisted CRM gathers these scattered memories into a unified system. It automates bid follow-ups and tracks every relationship, ensuring that knowledge survives even if a technician leaves. This automation feeds directly into the most practical tool for a new business owner, the structured morning brief. By aggregating open bids, weather flags, and accounts receivable, the system condenses a 90-minute scramble into a precise 30-minute summary. Between the hours saved daily in meetings and the automated follow-up sequences, the math adds up. An operator using these tools reclaims 160 hours of their year. Reclaiming those 160 hours provides the capacity to shift from daily operational oversight to long-term strategic scaling. This shift isn't just happening in roofing. It reflects a broader trend of technology moving from simple experimentation to measurable impact across the trades. As contractors apply tools to cost estimation and scheduling, adoption is accelerating. In 1 year, contractors reporting measurable results jumped from 17% to 38%. This is an inflection point driven by the realization that smarter operations protect the bottom line. While the specific numbers change, this operational architecture is the same whether you are looking at HVAC, plumbing, pest control, or landscaping. Every blue-collar acquisition faces the same lever points: weather variability, crew-heavy margins, and the risk of unrecorded tacit knowledge. The framework for any new acquisition is clear: observe the current state, stabilize the core operations, and layer in the systems that provide clarity. If you are evaluating a multi-million-dollar investment, you cannot settle for delayed data and operational guesswork. You need systems that bring automated order to a dark and complex structure. Integrating an intelligence layer is no longer an optional upgrade. It is a structural necessity for turning hidden operational chaos into measurable,